A designer or anyone who wants to learn drawing must have control over his hand and draw straight lines without using a ruler. If you want to learn design and drawing from the basics, do these exercises with me. But first, we have to see what kind of line we want to draw. For small lines or small shadows, it's totally fine to move your hand from the wrist. But when we want to draw longer lines, our wrist and elbow should be free and we need to move the hand from the shoulder. So we can have a smoother lines and have better control over the strokes and of course better results for our drawing. Now when your elbow is locked on the paper or desk, it acts like a compass needle and the line we draw becomes curved and we can no longer draw straight lines. Now let's go to the exercises to see what we need to learn before starting the drawing. First, I have an exercise for you to loose your hand by drawing straight and long lines and only changing the direction of the lines without taking your hand off the paper. At first, your lines may not be very straight, but keep practicing to get the better result you want. The next exercise is parallel lines. Take a large piece of paper, start from the top and draw parallel and smooth lines from the corner to the bottom of the page. Then draw some vertical lines on top of these and make a checkered pattern on the paper. You may not be able to do this at first, but over time and with practice, you'll be able to do this without any trouble. Just remember to keep your hand completely loose and free and move it from the shoulder. The third exercise is to connect the two dots together. On another page, place 2 points with a small distance from each other and try to connect them with a straight line. If you can't do it the first time, try to connect the first point to the second point with a straight line by drawing it several times. As you go further, challenge yourself more. Increase the distance between the points and change their directions. And as for the last trick, when you're drawing a straight line, you should not follow and trace the line with your eyes. Just look at the beginning and end of the line. This way you can train your eyes and your mind, and it really helps you to have better straight lines. Even if you do this at a higher speed, the result will be the same. You can use these exercises as a warm-up before starting the drawing, and they are a huge help, especially for urban sketching. So do these exercises and keep practicing. If you're watching my videos for the first time, check my channel and take a look at my tutorials.